My son just bought a house and he wants to show you this really cool stainless steel hose. We did receive it as a gift so that we could show you how much he likes it and how he uses it. It does come with this blue nozzle that has 10 different sprays, which he's going to show you here. Everything from a very strong, powerful, targeted spray to a soak and everything in between. So you can see him watering his flowers, and he's going to show us how it works over here. So what is it that you like about this hose?
I really like the metal aspect of the hose that makes it different from all the other hoses. So as you can see right now, the water's on and it's got no give. It can't be kinked, right? Even if I try my hardest to kink it, I'm holding it pretty hard there, squeezing it pretty hard. It won't kink because it's got that little like slinky thing in the middle. But then when you turn the water off, this condenses down.
This is what he's talking about. This hose has no water currently, and it kind of collapses in on itself.
It's nice and sturdy. It's gonna last for a long time, right? I can whip it around. It's not gonna hurt nothing. I like the nozzle that has all of the different, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different sprays. Yep, exactly. So very easy to use. I like the little handle down here in case I ever want to use it without the nozzle to just spray some stuff, but very happy with it.
Great.
For more videos and reviews just like this, hit that bell button down below, like and subscribe, turn notifications on.